Hey guys! So today I'm here to show you how I went from this to a cute curly do in just a few minutes, and it's super easy. So starting on stretched hair, the first thing I'm doing is making a part going from ear to ear to separate my hair into a front and back half. The good thing about this part in particular is that it really won't be visible when we're all done, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make that part going straight across. Now for the back half, I'm brushing off the hair flat, gathering it together and making a low ponytail. I'm going to twist the hair, then bring it up, hold it flat to my head, and pin it down with some bobby pins. So this part is going to be completely covered, so you can pretty much do anything you want to keep this hair up and out of the way. Alright, back to the front. Starting at just about mid-brow, I'm making a part on a slight diagonal, going towards the back, and it should look like this. Clip the other hair away, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. And now we have this middle section going, and I'm going to take some gel because I want this to be a sleek style and apply that to the front edge as well as around the parts I made. Brush it all up to smooth the hair and then put the section into a ponytail. I'm splitting the ponytail in half and making a twist. And then we're going to do a bantu knot. So I'm wrapping the twist around itself, and you can secure this with a bobby pin if need be, but my hair tends to stay knotted on its own without anything extra, so I'm just leaving that as is. For the rest of the hair, I'm making another part starting at the end of the part that's already created and dividing the hair in half, going in a downward diagonal. Apply some gel to each section, brush it and smooth it, make a ponytail, then a 2-strand twist, and a bantu knot. And the same goes for the other side. I'm making a downward diagonal part. So once I have my 5 knots completed, I'm taking a little more gel around my edges to further smooth and shape them, and then I'm using my hair toothbrush to get everything super slick. Now for the best part, the curls. So I'm taking a stocking cap and putting that on to cover and protect the back half of my hair. And for this style, I'm using a lace wig I found at the beauty supply store. It has 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. So I'm placing it on and I'm using the combs to attach it to my hair. Fluff it out a little bit, and we're all set. So this is the look. I'm really feeling this style. I've actually been rocking this all week. I just love how super quick it is. I can do this in less than 15 minutes and I think it just looks dope. So I hope you like it as much as I do. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.